And let's move to the graphical user interface. There is a big evolution in interfaces. From command lines, we move to graphical components, and today we use GUIs, graphical user interfaces. A GUI is a type of user interface that allows you to interact with electronic devices. We have windows, icons, menus, toolbars, and all the things we design as a user interface, a graphical user interface we just show to help us have the user experience we have in mind. So there are several interaction techniques. We can have direct manipulation. We can use keyboard shortcuts, drag and drop, tooltips, right click, and all the principles of the GUI design. It has to be visible, affordable. It has to give feedback, be consistent, help the user have control, be simple and have clarity, tolerance, and forgiveness. It has the graphical user interface has to forgive us. If we do something wrong, it has to give us a second chance. Can't be strict. Excuse me?
Like when we delete the
yes. 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 Are you sure you want to delete this file? Yes. So it has to be forgiving to be good. But there are different types of GUIs. There are the desktop GUIs, the web GUIs, the mobile GUIs, the touchscreen GUIs, and the VR and AR GUIs. All these are graphical user interfaces used for used to help us have a good user experience. Other user interfaces to know are the command line interface, the DOS system, if you have ever heard of it or remember it. You are so young to remember the DOS system. The text user interface, you can see a text user interface on the right side. And there is also the natural user interface, which are designed to be invisible and intuitive as possible, making the interaction feel natural when you touch things on the wherever. I don't know if you have seen some keyboards which are laser keyboards. Yes, projector light, and you touch. This one is one of these. You project on your hand and touch your own hand. Some GUI platforms and toolkits. You can use these toolkits to create your own GUI. Don't forget that someone created Windows, Android, all the interfaces we use. The challenges on design graphical user interfaces are accessibility, internationalization and localization, cross-platform consistency, responsiveness, and performance. I believe that internationalization is pretty well achieved when we talk about GUIs most people use today. Most of these challenges are achieved, but professionals keep working on them to have better results. The future is bright for these graphical user interfaces. We have the rise of haptic technology, where we touch things with our hands and we do things without using buttons or mouses or touching screens. And we also have the voice technology emerging. We talk to the device, and the device does things. We have a AI and machine learning. The device does things by itself, learning from doing them again and again. We have voice robots. They have we talk to machines and we take results. Um, the the future is pretty much personalized. We can choose what we want to use, and there are many options for each one of us. Moving on to the user experience section of our presentation, we will I will try to be a little shorter than before so that we can have time on the field.